Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see a few more options. So boosting is not a good option, so we'll just skip the entire thing. I hope you know how that entire thing functions. Boosting is when we have a particular post or reel and we want to reach out to more and more people. This is good when you are not basically selling anything or you're not putting on any kind of ad for your business, but you want more reach or more likes or comments for your particular video. So if those are very subtle brand promotions, probably you can use these options. I do not deny it. You can use those options and you'll get a good amount of reach from people who are not looking to currently purchase something, but it will still linger on their minds. All right, so you can use all of those cases as well. However, what we are trying to do is we are trying to basically create an impact to the business by getting more sales, more calls, more leads right away using the ads that we are running. Otherwise, you can do this, it has a long term effect and takes long time to work. And the same goes for SEO. So basically, even though SEO is something, that strategy that works very well, however it cannot give you instant results. Ads can. Now to move ahead, we are going to check the get more calls option. So while we create get more calls, now we are still under the entire system wherein we have many of the things which are pre-planned by Facebook. We can change all of those, but let's just review all of the things that has been provided to us. If there is an ad creative, we can directly select, click on use a post, and we can use the creative of a post that we have made on Facebook or Instagram. This is useful if in case you have already posted something that could be used as an creative for the ad. Okay, so we can add the description as well. Unlike automated ads, we have to fill out a few details in the ad itself. Now we have to provide the headline. Our entire the logic at the goal is basically to get more calls, and hence the phone number has been added over here. What we are doing is advantage plus creative, so we are also using the methodology wherein Facebook will be adding a few more text at the top of the entire creative, probably to deliver it to more people with different variations. So as you can see over here, that your creative inputs, ad setup and placement selection determine which variations we automatically create. So there could be some different variation depending upon the devices it is being posted. It can be cropped at some place, it can be added a few more text or a banner could be added at the top of it. So a lot of things happen whenever you are seeing advantage plus. Just know this, that it has not been played out in extreme detail as to what all pointers are being looked at and what all variations are being created, but there are variations that works. I would um i would probably recommend that the advantage plus should be used because it is very polished right now and it works very well. Now special ad category, we did discuss it in the last video itself. If it belongs to any of the categories posted here, credit, employment, housing, social issues, jobs, or election or politics, then in that case we need to switch this on. All right, moving down to the next one, audience. We can select the kind of audience that we want and the schedule and duration of when we want to run the ads. It's a complete no-brainer. If in case we want to fill out all of the details, it is as simple as just reading and entering the details right here. Again, coming back to the placement, it's a advantage plus placement. If in case we want to use that, we can use that, or else we can switch this off. In that case, we have to select any of the manual placement wherein we are selecting the get more calls option. Okay, otherwise we can switch this on, and accordingly Facebook will determine if the get more call option is suitable for a particular product or a particular account, will be decided by the Facebook itself. So as you can see, the meta pixel, it says no pixel has been added right now, or probably the no pixel has been activated. So if we activate it, we can get the meta pixel over here. However, since we are running ads, probably you might not want to start that, And it also says that our metapixel is not active. Probably it has been a few months that the account has not been opened. So we are going to map the entire pixel again, which is actually a good thing, because I also needed to show you how to map the pixel, and probably then we can move ahead with the entire thing. We would also need to add the payment method to before proceeding to run the ads, and we can use a UPI and all of the options, Paytm and all as well. This also has been added in a few months back itself. So I hope you understand that if in case you are going to go through the entire get more calls option, then how you need to do it, and what all options that you need to select, and end up to a case wherein the you have run the ad successfully using the Advantage Plus options. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we are going to see another goal and how that helps us with our business model. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.